Everything I was taught told me you were wrong. But I made a promise. So I did my best to accept you and help you.
Accept me? You told me to cover up, to hide.
Yes, until we can fix everything. And we still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again. I'll tell Mira and Zoe that it was all a lie, an illusion by Kima to break us apart.
No, no more hiding. No more lies.
We can still fix this.
Don't you get it? This is what I am. Look at me. Why can't you look at me?